Hey guys, my name's Anamarie and I'm just here to talk to you a little bit about Stratton DV Imaging. I was at a football game watching my best friend cheer on the sidelines at CCS, and he was there shooting the sports teams and the fans, and he had gotten a shot of me, posted it on Facebook, and I remember Ashley saw it and he was very intrigued and he was like, "Who is this? I would love to shoot with her." So he reached out to Ashley and she gave him all of my contact information, and we ended up messaging back and forth for a couple weeks talking about when would be a good time to shoot, what we'd like to do, and all that good stuff. And of course, with anyone trying to find a new photographer, it can be nerve-wracking. You've never met them, you don't know how their shooting dynamics and stuff are. So we finally set a date and my stepmom was like, "I'm going with you." So I brought my stepmom with me and we went out to a field. It was so pretty. And once I got there, like all of my nerves immediately went away whenever I met Peter. And it was just so easy and comfortable to be like in front of the camera with him because he's so good at telling you what to do, what poses he wants you to do, and he's very, very comfortable. And then after that shoot, I fell in love with him and I was like, I have to do this again. We finally found another time to shoot and we've done multiple shoots since then. We did one with some colored lights, so we did like red and blue and some smoke with, we did a white dress and white sheets, and it turned out amazing. It was so cool. It's just a different artsy shoot. I got so many compliments on that shoot as well. And then we did a shoot. I told him that I wanted to eat some donuts during my shoot because I love to eat. And so we got some donuts and we just kicked back and I ate some donuts while we were taking some shots. We did a shoot at the laundromat. And so I got there, it was like late at night, him and I were messaging back and forth ideas like we do all the time. And I was like, "I'm free right now." And he was like, "So am I." So I was like, "Okay, I'll get ready and I'll meet you at the laundromat." And then he also added Miranda to his team, which I would like to say that is probably the best thing ever. They're such a good duo, and I love whenever she's here. She gives such a good different dynamic to the team. It's always good to have, two angles shooting at you, and she gives really good advice on what I should wear, how my makeup should look, what my hair should be like. And she always notices the small details, such as, my hair is out of place or my makeup needs to be touched up. And she's also really good about telling me different poses that she thinks that would look good during that shot and explaining how she wants me to do them, because it can be hard to understand with the photographer, what exactly they want, but they're really good about explaining and then being very uplifting. Well, I've definitely had a lot of different experiences with other photographers that have messaged me wanting to do shoots, and I didn't feel comfortable because obviously not knowing who the person is and it being a stranger and they want to do a photo shoot with you can be really weird, and you never know what they're going to do. But with Peter, I don't get that feeling at all. I get here and I'm immediately comfortable. I love to shoot with him. I come back, I come on my own, and he just gives off a really, really good, positive vibe. They're just an amazing team, and they're really good about getting outside of the box and doing more than just your basic senior portraits or whatever. They really want to see a different side of you, and they want to see your personality shine. So I definitely suggest booking through Stratton DV Imaging. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Definitely, you won't regret it.